Consecutive interior angle theorem. According to this theorem, if a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal is supplementary. So according to the theorem and the figure that is given, we can write that angle 1 plus angle 2 comes out to be 180 degrees according to the theorem. So it is given already that M is parallel to N, and we need to prove that angle 1 plus angle 2 is 180 degrees. So in order to prove this, at first let me name the angle which is formed by L on M as angle number 3. That is this angle. This is angle number 3. So angle 1 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Since they form a linear pair and L is a straight line. So linear pair. Another thing that we can write here is that angle 3 is equal to angle number 2. Why? Because they form corresponding angles and M is parallel to N. Now putting the second equation in the first equation, what we can write is that angle 1 plus angle 2 comes out to be 180 degrees, and this is what we had to prove. Now there is another consecutive angle theorem number 2, which is reverse of the theorem number 1. This theorem 2 states that if a transversal intersects two lines such that a pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal is supplementary, then the two lines are parallel. So here what we need to prove is that M is parallel to N, and it is given that angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. This is given. And another thing that we can write down is that angle 1 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degrees. Why? Because of the linear pairs. They are linear pairs. So let me name this as equation 1 and then equation 2. So by both we can write is that angle 3 is equal to angle 2. And since they form corresponding angles pair, so M is parallel to N by corresponding angle axiom number 2. So here angle 3 is equal to angle 2 and M is parallel to N.